So right now we're getting everything done with the 64. And we have a lot of things under the hood. We cleaned up the engine bay. The engine looks great, completely rebuilt. But there's things underneath the hood that we want to show you what we have that can make it look much better. So what we did is we took the old pieces out from underneath the hood. And you can still see there is still some glue on there. But what we have is we've got 3 pieces that we manufacture, and also a piece that goes across here, which is the rubber piece that goes to the cowl. Now you have to modify it a little bit, so I'm going to take you over to the table and show you how to do that. Then we're going to install these guys, and it's going to look top-notch. Right now we're at the workbench here. So we've got our pieces of insulation right here that we're going to go ahead and install that we just showed you on the hood. We're going to use a nice adhesive on there, so we'll go and show you. But we do have this piece right here. This is the hood to shroud rubber piece. Now the old one we have right here is pretty beat up, but you can use that to reference where your staples should go. So we have staples that hold that in there. And what you're going to want to do is actually take a drill with a small drill bit and pop it according to that. You line up the straight lines, you go against here, reference against your original, and then we'll go fit it.